Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make aloe and coconut oil for hair growth, hair moisturizer. So I'm going to use this aloe that I just bought. So it's Hair's Beauty from nature. It's organic aloe vera gel and it has natural active bioactive aloe vera. So it's 99.9%. So they're saying it's made with organic aloe vera. It doesn't have, of course it has some more additives which are okay. So it has some preservative there and some gelling agents in there. So like I really love it. Of course, I do usually use my own aloe vera from my plants. So I decided to use this one. And I've also tried Lily of the Valley Desert aloe vera juice. Yes, so like this is the one that I'm going to use, and it doesn't have any parabens and SLS additives or unnecessary or colorants. It doesn't have, and it doesn't also it's free from perfume, and it's all natural actually. So it's I love it. I'm loving it, and it's so moisturizing. So if you are going to buy, make sure that you avoid those with colorants and other alcohols which are in it that can dry your hair. So we're also going to use coconut oil. Is one of my favorites. So at this point, especially like in cooler or rather winter, it's solid. So actually it's solid at this point, as you can see. So coconut oil like is so good, it's so moisturizing. It will leave your hair well moisturized and ultimately hydrated, and it will also help your hair if it's damaged, or if it will also condition your hair. If you have low porosity hair, it will work also, and it's great actually. Great, it has great effects like making hair soft and flexible. So of course, if you don't have coconut oil, you can use other oils like grapeseed oil, argan oil, quite a number of good oils out there. Some argan oil, even olive oil is good. Yes, you can opt for whatever you have as your preference. So now I'm adding in 50 grams of our aloe vera. So as you can see, it is thicker because they had added some thickening agents. So coconut oil also will protect your hair because it will act as a waterproof in the inner part of your hair that swells up. So I'm just getting like 10 grams of our coconut oil. So coconut oil is good actually. It will go on dry hair. So even when your hair is dry, like coconut oil will penetrate your hair, and it will actually like it will be distributed in on well, even on wet hair or dry hair, and it can penetrate without water getting in the way. It's okay if you have some condition, or styling in your hair. Coconut oil is great for hair which usually feels dry or rarely feels soft. So I'm going to whip it, like just combine it so that it becomes more like a cream. So subscribe to my channel, friends, if you haven't, and give this video a like and comment in the section below. So that is how it looks like. It looks beautiful and perfect. In fact, thank you so much, dear friend, to my 502 subscribers, friends. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, friends. Virtual hugs to you, friends. Thank you so much. So that is how it looks like. Subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and comment in the section below, friends. So moisturizing your hair in between washes will keep your hair moist, prevent damage. When your hair is dry, it's a recipe for disaster. Your hair will start breaking, but if you are moisturizing it, it will be strengthened and it will be well protected. So now it's time to use it. So of course, like I do low manipulation hairstyles, friends, if you've been long on this channel. So this is the hairstyle that I've been rocking at for 3 days now. So I'm going to just undo it and then start to moisturize my hair. So of course, the moment your hair touches a moisturizer, it will shrink, and you don't have to be worried about shrinkage because it's part of hair growth, friends. It means that your hair is growing. So friends, like I really love aloe and coconut oil. So of course, coconut aloe vera will actually promote hair growth. Like it will prevent breakage, which contributes to hair loss. So make sure that you go for 100% ingredients, like I mentioned earlier on. So if you have your own aloe vera, then it's a bargain. So aloe vera will also help if you have an itchy scalp or seborrheic dermatitis, which is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff and skin scaliness and scaly patches. So research, of course, has shown significant results that it decreases scaliness and irritation or itchiness. So aloe will also protect from UV damage. Yes, so like there's been some studies which were done, and aloe was found to offer protection from UV ultraviolet radiation that comes from the sun or UV exposure can cause your hair like to lose shine and color and makes it rough, less elastic, leading to a breakage. So of course the amount of protection from UV lights depends on the type of hair. So aloe will also strengthen your hair. Aloe has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E. These play part in healthy hair follicles, and it will also control a greasy hair. So aloe vera will also protect your itchy scalp, friends. Yes, and it will also protect from UV damage. So once I'm done moisturizing, I'm just going to braid my hair just to like separate that section which I have, moisturized. You can even go in with 4 or 6 more sections. Yes, but I just wanted to go this way, so I'm braiding it. This is just temporal braids, but of course, I'm going to braid my hair in a beautiful style, but of course, not in this video, of course. So we are done on this part. Then I'm going to go to another section. So comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried out aloe and coconut oil moisturizer. So this is a simple DIY hair moisturizer that you can do. It won't actually weigh down your hair. It will keep your hair well moisturized, strengthened, and preventing breakage. So of course I was going heavy handed. Yes, because I wanted my hair strands like to be coated well, as you can see. So friends, like I was in a challenge of 6 months of growing my natural hair, and my natural hair has really improved. Like I started doing the challenge in January 2022 and it ended in July. So now I've embarked on another challenge of clove. Yes, so we'll be using clove for 1 month. We'll be using it once or twice per week, depending on our preference. I'm going to link that video in the description box below so that you can check it out. Or if you are trying to grow out your hair, or if you are interested like joining our challenge, you can join. It's not too late. Yes. So I've actually done a video specifically on coconut oil, why coconut oil is the best oil. I'm going to link that video in the description box below. So of course, like I mentioned, I'm just continuing like to braid this section as well. So like my hair felt so moisturized, friends. So like you need to be moisturizing your hair like once per week. Of course, some naturals go for once per week, others twice per week. What you don't just need to do is like moisturizing every day. Like it doesn't make sense to me like moisturizing every day. Comment in the section below, friends, like how often you moisturize your hair, and do you think that it is necessary to moisturize your hair every day? Comment in the section below. So that is how our hair looks like after being moisturized. Like it's so soft. Yes, so we are preventing breakage in as much as we want to grow our hair. Of course, I'm on a hair challenge, friends. I'm on a hair journey. I want my hair to grow. Yes, and prayer has been one of my priority, because the Bible says without me you cannot do anything, because God is concerned, with every warfare in our lives. So comment in the section below, friends. Do you pray for your hair? Do you think it's necessary? I find it that it is very cardinal, because God knows the number of our hairs in the head, and he cares for us more than the sparrows and the rubies. So at this point, I'm super excited, friends, and thank you so much for subscribing, for supporting me, and for watching my videos. Are you going to try out to make this DIY moisturizer? comment in the section below. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Continue taking care of your beautiful crown. That's your crown. Beautiful crown. Embrace it, love it, and style it.